Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Car Views. Before we begin, I have a small request. If this channel has appeared in front of you today, please watch this video till the end because I work really hard to bring you these beautiful and detailed videos every single time. Please take 1 second and hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss our new uploads. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones. Maybe they haven't discovered our channel yet. When you share, you show who truly supports you. Because those who watch and share what you love are your real ones. Now let's move to today's masterpiece, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Royal Edition Motorhome. A true definition of royal luxury and American power combined on wheels. From the front, the Kenworth W900 Royal Edition looks bold and majestic. Its massive chrome grille dominates the view, surrounded by ultra-bright LED headlights that give it a proud and commanding look. The golden metallic body shines beautifully under the light, while silver swirl graphics enhance the royal touch. The backside of the motorhome continues this elegant design. Smooth aerodynamic lines, chrome bumpers, stylish LED taillights, and a luxurious storage section. The reflection of light on its golden paint makes it look like a true palace on wheels. Now let's step inside this rolling mansion. As you enter, on the right-hand side, you'll find the living room, and on the left-hand side, the kitchen, both beautifully designed and full of realistic detail. The living room feels warm and alive, soft leather sofas with small colorful cushions, a tiny table to rest your feet or keep your coffee, and a large LED TV up front. You'll notice small touches, magazines, a remote, and soft yellow lights, giving it that perfect homely vibe. Right across on the left-hand side, the kitchen area looks lively and full. It's not empty or plain, and it's filled with life. Dishes on the counter, a few pots, cooking utensils, and even some ingredients lying around. There's a refrigerator, sink, and microwave all built neatly into glossy wooden cabinets. It feels like someone just finished making a delicious meal. Truly a kitchen that breathes life inside this motorhome. Now moving towards the bedroom, and what a peaceful space this is. A large soft bed covered in white and golden sheets sits at the center, surrounded by wooden storage cabinets and glowing side lamps. There's a big window that brings in natural light, and small pillows placed neatly to complete that royal look. It's not just a place to rest. It's a suite that feels like a personal luxury hotel room on the road. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Royal Edition is not just a vehicle. It's a statement of style, power, and comfort. From its majestic exterior design to its home-like interior, every inch of this motorhome speaks luxury. It combines the strength of Kenworth engineering with the beauty of a royal lifestyle. Wherever this motorhome goes, heads will turn, cameras will flash, and people will admire. Because this is not just transportation, it's the ultimate luxury on wheels. So friends, this was the stunning 2025 Kenworth W900 Royal Edition Motorhome. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more amazing content. And please share this video with your friends, your family, and everyone who loves luxury vehicles. Let's make Dream Car Views reach more hearts. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay safe, and I'll see you soon with another beautiful luxury motorhome review only on Dream Car Views.